So in a previous video, I made this small spreadsheet and I showed how to get the current price of Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash in Google Sheets. But what about Doge? So if we look here at each of the formulas, for Bitcoin, for example, it's just the currency formula of Google Finance, BTC USD. And when we come down here, we change to ETH, here, LTC, and BCH. So if we drag this down and try to do it the same format, but for Doge, we're going to get an error and it's not going to work. Now there is a way around this importing data into Google Sheets, and it's basically not going to use the stock built in Google Finance equations. So what we're going to do is we'll just delete that and we'll just rewrite this as import data and then open the quotation, the bracket and quotation, and we basically just put in this website https://cryptoprices.cc/Doge. Okay, close off the quotations and brackets, and we're going to import this value of 50 cents. Now, Dogecoin is like a much smaller value, so we're going to need to add some decimal places in here. Whoa, going to need to add some decimal places there so we get a better view of it. Basically, here we have it. Please note that these ones are going to automatically update. They're all delayed by at least 20 minutes. These ones will slowly update by themselves, whereas this one, because you've imported it, this basically imports when the page is refreshed. So if you do want to change this one, you would have to basically refresh your page if you're importing data from a website like this. Now, speaking of websites like this, like what actually is cryptoprices.cc? Well, let's go there and take a look. So it's just this really bare bones website. I have absolutely no idea who made this website. It's anonymous. That's part of what they're advertising here. They are saying that it is delayed, so watch out for that. It's not the actual exact live price, and that's pretty much it. They're saying they're sourcing from coinmarketcap.com, and there's no other information to be found about these people. But when we go to Doge, the page for Doge, literally all it is just a number, and that is what we imported here, just 502.152. 502.152, if, for example, they have more decimal places. And that's it. We can take a look at some of the other pages that they have, like they have a price for Bitcoin as well, and it's pretty much it. Same with the Ether. And they have like a whole bunch of different ones. You can see all of the tokens and pairs they have available here. It's literally like hundreds. Again, I have no idea who these people are, but it seems to work when you import into Google Sheets. They do say also that they are pulling from coinmarketcap.com, so maybe let's just take a quick look at that as well and see what they're reporting here, for example, for Dogecoin. So right now, Dogecoin is reporting as 0.4916. And again here, if we refresh our page, we're not seeing the exact value that's basically being reported by them, but again, we're importing data from an anonymous website, so yeah, it might be good enough if you're just looking to build a simple pie chart portfolio showing all of your different cryptos, something like that, but it does work, so which is cool, because Google Finance currency thing doesn't work. But yeah, let's say that we actually, I don't know, bought 50,000 coins at a price of 2 cents and just drag this down, and we can get an idea of how the portfolio would look. Basically, we'd be doing all right. That would push us back up into the green, and this can actually mix with the Google Finance formulas totally fine. And again, just keep in mind that if you want it to be refreshed, so if you come back in a day, refresh the page. And again, as far as who is cryptoprices.cc, I have no idea, but if you want to import it into your Google Sheets, then that's up to you to build out a little crypto portfolio like this.